FTAI Aviation's FTAI Power Platform is a great example of evolving with the times and thinking outside the box. It will convert CFM56 engines into 25-megawatt aeroderivative power turbines for data centers. As production starts this year, the plan is to scale to more than 100 units annually. Analysts estimate the opportunity could generate between $500 million and $1 billion in incremental annual EBITDA at full run rate, driven by strong demand for electricity from AI data center expansion. Management views the conversion initiative as a way to further extend the useful life of the CFM56 engine base while tapping into an entirely new end market. Simultaneously, FTAI still sticks to conventional aerospace upkeep as it goes ahead with multi-year agreement with CFM International to provide component and repair support for CFM56 engines, reinforcing FTAI's position as a leading aftermarket solutions provider for the world's largest commercial engine fleet. CFM International is a joint venture between GE Aerospace and Safran Aircraft Engines. Under the agreement, FTAI will secure OEM replacement parts, thrust performance upgrades, and expanded repair capabilities for the CFM56 platform. The CFM56 powers a substantial portion of the global narrow-body fleet and remains the largest commercial aircraft engine population worldwide. Management said the partnership strengthens FTAI's ability to extend engine life, lower maintenance costs for airlines, and enhance fleet reliability at a time when current-generation narrow-body aircraft continue to see high utilization. CEO Joe Adams described the deal as central to FTAI's mission of becoming the most efficient provider of aftermarket CFM56 engine solutions, enabling airlines to focus on operations while reducing costs. COO David Marino added that access to new parts and repair solutions will accelerate engine production volumes and support a stronger, more resilient maintenance, repair, and overhaul ecosystem, which is why FTAI expects demand for CFM56 maintenance to remain stable through the next decade, giving investors extra confidence in its hybrid model that combines engine asset ownership, maintenance capabilities, and strategic capital partnerships. The so-called strategic part of strategic capital actually goes beyond corporate word salad slop to an extent, because FTAI has also expanded its Strategic Capital Initiative, SCI, completing fundraising for its inaugural vehicle with $2 billion in equity commitments, exceeding its $1.5 billion target. With associated debt financing, the vehicle has more than $6 billion in purchasing power and has already invested $1.4 billion to acquire 101 aircraft, with an additional $2.1 billion under contract. The initiative focuses on mid-life, current-generation narrow-body aircraft such as 737NG and A320 CEO models, with engines supported exclusively through FTAI's maintenance, repair, and exchange business. A partnership with One Investment Management is expected to deploy over $4 billion into on-lease narrow-body aircraft, reinforcing an asset-light approach while scaling maintenance revenue opportunities. Financially, FTAI reported mixed fourth quarter 2025 results. EPS of $1.08 missed the $1.25 estimate, and revenue of $662 million fell short of the $702 million forecast. However, total adjusted EBITDA rose 10% year-over-year to $277.2 million, and adjusted free cash flow reached $724 million, exceeding guidance. For the full year, revenue totaled $2.51 billion, and net income reached $501.1 million, or $4.60 per share. Management also increased the quarterly dividend to 40 cents per share, marking the second consecutive hike. Despite the earnings miss, executives struck an optimistic tone, emphasizing expansion of production capacity, continued scaling of the strategic capital platform, and the rollout of FTAI Power. So it was generally a welcome surprise when guidance pointed to stronger forward EBITDA and projected EPS of $1.45 for the first quarter of 2026, signaling confidence in near-term growth. Additional partnerships, including a perpetual power engine exchange agreement with Finnair plc covering 36 CFM 56-5B engines, further demonstrate FTAI's push toward predictable, exchange-based maintenance solutions that reduce airline downtime and overhaul costs. As a result, FTAI's core strategy keeps flying to dominate the CFM56 aftermarket through scale, proprietary repair solutions, and integrated asset ownership, while unlocking adjacent growth avenues in power generation and strategic aircraft investment. That's why short-term earnings volatility is mostly being overshadowed by high engine utilization, sensible capital deployment, and legitimately innovative conversion programs that show promise for sustained long-term growth. To go beyond CFM56 into other powerful propulsion forces in the aviation and other sectors, fly over to TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.